Hey guys, Engineer Pat 5290. Just want to give you all a little update on what's been going on. I know I haven't uploaded in some time, and I do apologize. The first few weeks of the new year have been very, very busy, and that's why I've had to hold some uploads until some things settle down. I've been very busy with my job, and as they always say, it's work before pleasure. I will say that. But I do have a lot of videos that are finished. I just have to get them up there because I've just been so busy with my job. So I appreciate you guys understanding while I am through this phase of just not uploading as much. And I do apologize about that. But the January Q&A prompt is still up. I've already gotten some good questions about it for that Q&A prompt. So if you have not submitted your questions for January, you still have plenty of time. Once again, all the rules are in there, so I would suggest that you guys take a look at that and ask some questions. And any of the new users out there who haven't even been on my Q&As before, check it out. Check it out. Please, new users, please come in. I love seeing returning users, and I love seeing new users come in. So give that a look. I'm getting some more videos worked on as well. The Kicking Off 2020 is underway, so I haven't got a lot of footage yet, but I am getting some slowly. So lots of good videos coming out soon, guys, so you might want to stay tuned for that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little update, and once again, I do apologize for the lack of uploads. I've just been extremely busy with my job and just trying to get off to a good start for the year. So a lot of uploading time has had to be put aside so I could take care of some other things. So I do apologize about that, and videos will be uploaded very, very soon. So thank you guys for watching, and may God bless.